Video shop presentation of Cabo Mining. Cabo trades on the Toronto Venture Exchange on the ticker CBE. Just a stellar move here. Off the bottom around 7.5 cents. Pushed up, established a resistance level at 17 cents. Some people might call this a flag pattern. Some people might call this a cup and handle pattern. Point being, it's a consolidation pattern after a real strong move. We're going to keep this on radar to see if it's going to break out this week as it tried on Friday. Of course, we're going to see some retraces going on. One thing to note, I always try and point this out. Leading into the big move, MACD trending towards zero, positive divergence. MACD's trending up, price per share is trending down. Then you look for the break through the zero line. When that came, there came the big move. MACD is retracing right now. Histogram trending slightly back towards zero. Keep an eye on that for the bullish cross. This is really going to come down to the candles to see if it's going to break through 17 or not. ADX still in bullish position, positive DI breaking through the ADX. Retrace happened with the MFIs, now all pushing back up, heading towards 50. Accumulation distribution turning down a little bit. That's a little bit of a concern, but nothing too great. Overall, still on a nice upward path. Shaking money flow, been riding in the green now for about a month and a half. Breaking back down. Again, not a great sign. You don't want to see it breaking back down through zero, but there's going to be some profit taking after that big move. CCI technically dropped a buy signal right there on the break of 100. Still a hold until it breaks back down through 100. Full stow showing strong momentum in the play, and the tricks, it's in the middle of its retrace as well. RSI's holding over top of 50. That's bull chart territory. This is one of those times where you really want to see it push through 70, show some real strong momentum in it, because it is at a tough point. Now what I'd look for, there's a good support on any real deep pullback down here at 14 cents. I would certainly want to see that hold. Historically, it does run a little bit lower, down to around 13.5. But the higher end of that support that it can hold, especially since it was established here in January, the better off it is. There is an additional support up around 15. And on momentum plays, I always have my eye on that pink line. That's the 10-day moving average. A lot of momentum technical traders will use that as a buy and sell point because the price per share is holding over top of it right now. It's still a hold until it breaks back down through that 10-day. But there is some decent static support. More dynamic support coming as the 50's heading towards 200-day moving average. Looks like a golden cross is imminent. In technical trading, of course, that's a strong bullish sign for a chart to continue on an upward path. Volume's been picking up just a little bit here recently as the stock's been trying to make a move. Still a little low, 137,000 shares traded. We'll look for that to increase for the stock to try and make the push and hold above 17 cents. The retraces have happened. The indicators are reset. Candles have put themselves together a climb this last week. And it's one worth keeping on radar because there is a large upside based on standard calculations of a flag pattern or a cup and handle pattern if this can push through and take out this top with some force. I typically won't put that price target on there because I don't want to sound like I'm misleading people. Let's just say it does offer a nice upside. Any due diligence will show you calculations for projecting flag and cup and handle patterns. And because of these factors, we've chosen this chart as a Canadian technical stock to watch this week, and we'll see where it goes. As always, this is merely my interpretation of the CBE chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpenny-stocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure. I do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.